Away.
Away.
We rowed away from the shore.
We rowed away from the shore.
He pulled his arm away from the hot stove.
He pulled his arm away from the hot stove.
You should keep away from the dog. It could be dangerous.
You should keep away from the dog. It could be dangerous.
They are away for the weekend.
They are away for the weekend.
The beach is a mile away.
The beach is a mile away.
Christmas is still months away.
Christmas is still months away.
The main landfill site was moved further away from the city.
The main landfill site was moved further away from the city.
Go away.
Go away.
Put your toys away.
Put your toys away.
The water boiled away.
The water boiled away.
The music faded away.
The music faded away.
Chelsea are playing away this Saturday.
Chelsea are playing away this Saturday.